Australia is hardly a stranger to electrical storms, so it's understandable that many of us are considering surge protection for the expensive electronics we have in our homes. Theoretically, a surge-protected power board does exactly what it says on the box, placing a limit on the current that's allowed to pass through to any connected devices. Metal oxide varistor, or MOVs, inside the board become very conductive when subjected to high voltages, safely redirecting the power surge to earth instead of through to your computer. But not all of these devices are equal, so how do you find out if a surge protector can't handle the load? Les Dickinson from EMC Technologies talks us through the test setup.
Okay, what we have here is we have a surge generator which allows us to generate surges into main supply, and that allows us to simulate lightning strike on mains cabling coming into a household. The setup consists of a current clamp which actually allows us to measure the induced current into the power board and to the device under test, and it's measured with an oscilloscope. The device that we're testing is plugged into the surge generator, and it is a defined distance away from the surge generator as per the standard. We have high voltage probes which allow us to measure the induced surge into the device, and in this case we're using a lamp to simulate a piece of electronic equipment. The high voltage probes are connected back to another oscilloscope which allows us to actually measure the voltage which the power board should be clamping to. Of the power boards tested, I believe only 2 have actually met their manufacturer specification, which were quite reasonable. Some of the other specifications claimed by the manufacturers were very optimistic.
It's a common misconception that normal power boards offer some kind of surge protection if they're fitted with a reset button. But this is just a circuit breaker and is only there to stop the board itself from overheating if it gets overloaded. It won't actually stop a surge from hitting your connected appliances. It's also worth noting that unlike a circuit breaker, a failed surge protector will continue to function as a power board, leaving your equipment entirely at the mercy of the next surge to come down the wire. So it's a good idea to keep an eye on the product status indicator. Otherwise, your plasma TV could end up like this light bulb.